other sideline. That cord out of there.
Lên khoa từ mà nó xôi à vào nó qua lành rồi.
Giờ tại finish wheel là đấy.
Một người em à, nhưng mà
Next, we're going to. Saw, could you hold on for 1 second? Three. So this Y is a 3. It's a 3-inch Y.
But I'm guessing it's about 3.5.
Yeah, that measurement from the outside.
But when you put the pipe in there, it meets to measure the inside of the.
3-inch pipe will fit in here, and it's the inside of the 3-inch pipe that fits inside of this. So there's a lot of different odd measurements in plumbing. If you measure this, you're going to get very different numbers.
Ta can't do it. Just too small.
No, that's a coupling.
Where did you guys?
Take them.
yeah 3 inches.
No, that was 3 inch. Look.
Steady.
Quarter, right? 33 quarter, right?
Yeah.
No, 33 quarter. 33 on that, 31.
Isn't it 33 3/4?
30 and 3/4.
Yeah.
Oh, 30.
It's okay, I'm dirty man.
Got the hole started there, we got the hole down there, that's good enough too, that's assuming that one's done.
Đô đô gà đây quỷ.
Oh!
Let đô lớp tiền đô à.
Short. We ran into it.
Short?
Yeah, this one too short. You need a little bit longer.
Doing that? Yep. A little bit of shower.
You're not broken.
Right. So again, hopefully without kicks. So we got the primer, circle round and round. You're supposed to go twice at minimum. Around, once, twice.
That's for.
Oh, finally.
Bà mà kêu qua nhà đời được à?
Kill it. I'll put it over. I kill one more.
Okay.
So
Once, twice.
rumor about
Once, twice.
Okay, we'll keep that for my
Okay, and there's our line. And then also remember, we've got, we want to line it up so it goes that way correctly, but that's okay. We'll get it. Yeah, so just line it up as it goes. Yep, just make a pencil line there. There you go.
Cái qua là đã đủ nó. Cái tên là đã có phương làm mà là chán na. Chưa chưa qua có nhân mọi nhà cái bác sĩ nhà này là. Mấy tầm.
mà chỉ cô cũng đâu muốn nó.
We're going to get some of that glue off for you. There you go. keep it all the way on and go all the way. Yep, there you go. And then push together and quarter turn. Twist. And fold 1 1,000, 2 1,000. Oh, 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000. There you go.
Okay, everyone.
Oh, do you need some of this? Is this for the top?
If you wanted.
Yeah,
So you can
cool.
be facing
Have to
out.
color.
Red, white, and blue.
Yeah. Okay, we'll do some of this color. Measurement.
Hai người nhà tôi có rồi tí đấy.
Because we want it centered on our drain.
I know, but how you center it? I just guess.
No, we're centered on our drain, so we're going to measure off the drain. Yeah.
Với tôi có với SC.
That's also supposed to.
Có với mà thôn đi gai. Đi học cô thì là có mẹ à. Video.
Done?
Yep.
Nice. Very professional.
You got it, so.
Inch and a half through.
You should cut this off.
Yeah, you can cut it off. All right. So you get the idea? Power would be coming in over the top of your foundation, usually, not through the foundation.
Và khai kén à?
오늘 내가 막 구하는 게 봐.
It's looking good, so.
Mà chola wow ấy. Chú vô tí là đến là cái bà là mình.
So can we all give AC a round of applause? Alright, we got one more receptacle to get done. Who wants to do it? Yeah, pigtails. Right there. Two pigtails. Yeah. Two high pigtails. Just drop them into the line side. Hang on. We're doing two. Think about what you're doing. Two. So on a switch, we have the power going in, and then the switch needs to have a break. Yeah. And then it's like, yes, we do. Oh, the switch, yeah. I'm not putting the switch on it, but I want to show you. Who's got the switch? Who's got the switch? We're gonna race with all those Mexicans, there's still switches. Okay, so which one of these is the power coming in? Alright, so then those two go to the line side of the switch, right? Power's coming in from the right switch will be the lights are the switch lights, the two switch lights. So and you got two rounds, so it's on the right. Okay. That's why I need this one. We need two pigtails at the right.
That's okay. So I'm going to put in a nail. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. I'm going to put in a nail right here where it is flush. This is my one nail, and I know that I've got this point here is where I know that I'm flush. Then the water will be able to get behind it. So we have to make sure that we cut this so that this piece of tape goes over the top of it. So we measure to the top of this flange down, and then anything beyond here is great. I just go to the bottom of the stretch tape is what I do. So we measure from here down to here. How long do you want to?
39.
39. Great. 40. If it's a little bit long, it's not going to hurt anything. You're just using material for nothing. So 40.
Watch my finger here. And then I hold the top. Now hold the top.
Yeah, exactly. And then from the bottom, start at the bottom, work up. Nice.
Good job.
There you go.
Now you can walk the front photo now. We're back in the house.
Yeah.
Where do I tell my wife?
Okay, and then bring the board back.
Đó nên có tu về là cái này khu về là mà khu về đi mình lại ta hallo nên bảo tu về là mình chơi về rồi mình chơi về
lái sổ qua đi. Thì sao nó có khăn này gì đi Đừng hỏi gì Nói quên Excuse me, bro.
If I see the night, Satamai.
Go get the 1 inch.
Oh yeah.
Two inch.
Bà lên.ว่าจะบรูไรเว้ยทอดมาโลวีบอร์ฮิวิลาดูว่าแขกบักให้เรารู้แล้วได้มั้งว่าพันไหนอ่ะบักให้รู้ว่า
This service you need this, right? David.
Well, yeah, that's my thing. Normally you save your
You
spacers.
need a separate furniture to that.
Normally you save your spacers, just because you just scoop them up and drop them in.
โอ้ยจีนเลย